YouTube, back. I'm back with another one. Tone Away TV. What we're doing today is I'm going to drop off some last minute parts so I can finish getting that thing put on together. You know what I'm saying? Stop by the parts store, grab a few little items, finish putting that thing on together, make sure everything. Boy, I'm almost done with the motor. Too bad I ain't get y'all a full process of him doing the motor, but he got all the good stuff, all the okay stuff, all the stuff needed. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like today. Hopefully I have it back probably by the end of this week, next week. Get ready to go back in the Malibu and stuff. So just came to give y'all a little update on what I got going. Yeah, supercharger, brand new in the box. We're gonna see what it do. First time playing with a supercharger. I ain't never had nothing but some nitrous, so that's just how everything. I want to see what that supercharged power feel like. Got a couple more parts at the house, but for the majority of it, it ought to be pretty good, pretty cool. I've been cleaning stuff up all damn day and stuff, and I guess not changing the damn oil basically in the car. Shit, I don't know. Little bit of gunk in there. I should have took a picture of it or something, but it wasn't even worth taking a picture of it. It ain't take that bad to clean up the damn covers and new water pump, new alternator, clean up the pickup tube and stuff like that or whatnot. So it ain't too much. Ain't nothing to a player. Nothing to do it but do it. Pick up these seals and stuff. Got all the gaskets and all that stuff there already over there. So we're gonna see what the dealio is. See how quick I can get. Skirt. Metal Riley's, man. Metal Riley's now. Metal Riley's trying to grab this stuff. I get right back with you. Close, little buddy. Close, little buddy. Close, little buddy. Pipe down, gotta jack that bitch up, get them stupid ass headers off. Them bitches so fucked up, skank. Everything down though, man. Everything down. Looking for a chain and a horse, baby. YouTube, I'm back, baby. Pulling up at the warehouse. Trying to get them thigh wires up out of here so I can get that motor ready, baby. Y'all see, ain't number motors around this joint. Go in here, pay my boy Mikey. Get this shit going, baby. Real shop been in a long time. They been doing my motor since I was in goddamn elementary. Mikey. Yeah, man, we gonna be in this junk. I ain't been around a long time. They deal with everything. Old school trains, boats, planes. What up, baby? Mikey. What the hell you doing, man? That is something, I think. I mean, no, 40 something, I think. It won't look like this the next time a nigga see it. Badass and John on this stand. YouTube, back with another one. Back. We ready to go in. Do a little final cleaning up on it. Just clean it up a little bit more. Valve covers, compressor coming off. get painted and all that stuff there. Intake and stuff around. I ain't did nothing but just coating up the black, straighten up the black a little bit back there, man. I ain't got time for all that right now. A little stall and we'll see what it gonna do. I'm putting it in by my damn self, so y'all gotta bear with me. Bear with me a little bit. I ain't want all that grime and stuff to get all over the driveway. That's why that cardboard was down there. Yeah, see, she forcing me, she pushing me back. You don't wanna go in, baby? God damn. Chill out. Chill out. Stay. Don't move. Damn, brave shit, man. I'll get back with y'all, man, in a minute, man. I got a couple things to do real quick, and then I'm gonna drop this thing in, then I'll get back with y'all after I drop it in. All right, we back. We in now, YouTube. I done set it in there. Fucking power steering ain't gonna work, so I'm gonna find something to figure that out, but everything else looking about decent. Throw the old wild horns and stuff back on there. Sit that old supercharger on there. Still got some more boxes back there to put on. A lot of shit, intercool, all that bullshit gotta go in. It's in though. Look pretty good. Snatch some old valve, go back off, paint them on up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't scratching the firewall up too bad, I don't think. Look pretty decent though. Headers go on there. We ought to have a little motion part by the end of the week. I ain't gonna do too much. I gotta get some more parts, but I'm gonna put on what I got. Start running, rerunning the little wire harness and all that little knick-knack shit. I wanna run it different a little bit this time, so yeah. I'm gonna put my windshield wiper stuff back up there too. Got most of the stuff painted and junk just sitting around waiting. I need to find a dipstick. Rerun some of these AC wires, cause I am going AC this time, so run a few of these AC wires over with. We can get some party action going on. I already kind of dynamitted my flows a little bit, or whatever you want to call it, a little heat stuff or whatnot. I think it's called silentness or something like that. Put my headliner in so I can start getting to work. Put that fat ass intercool in there. So that slap on, baby. Let me get a little bit crackle-laid, man. I wasn't able to, I just wanted to get it set in here before the night fall and shit. Night and fell, so it's sitting in here, motor mount bolts in, all that there, so we'll be all right now. I can kind of maneuver a little bit, work at my ease. It ain't gonna take long to hook all that crap up. We'll see what it do in the next.
Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready. You ready?
Yeah. Now y'all hear that bad motherfucker there. Yeah. Ghost. That the ghost right there. That motherfucking orange juice there, baby. No hood. Oh. Bad ass motor right there. Ooh, that means they good though. That's funny as hell, man. Look at these niggas 2 heads. No seatbelt, these niggas banging fucked up, man. These niggas banging fucked up. We in traffic tonight, man. I got 600 horses in this bitch tonight. Motor on the back. Goddamn, goddamn skateboard.